Number 1. Did you know that a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus? Wait, what? Haha! I knew you wouldn't get it the first time. Allow me to explain. If you remember your 4th grade science textbook, which probably looked like this for you too, you'd remember that a year is equal to 365 plus 1/4 of a day. On Earth, not everywhere else, idiot. Well, let's see what Wikipedia has to say.
The amount of time it takes for an object to revolve around the sun is a year.
And
The planets rotate around invisible axes through their centers. A planet's rotation period is known as a stellar day.
so for a day to be longer than a year on Venus, it should revolute faster than it rotates. Which is true, and that's why kids.
Focus on science.
Number 2. Raining fish and frogs. This is a rare occurrence which happened in many places throughout history. Even recently, 2 years back, it happened in Texas. This usually happens when tornadic water sprouts sometimes pick up creatures such as fish, frogs, and maybe some other light flightless creatures to the sky, and when it rains, these guys just fall on the ground. Well, I mean, imagine being a cat that day. Dude, I wish I could have some real fish today. Dang. Number 3. The Kentucky Meat Shower in 1876. Well, if you read the title, it's pretty much what happened, but to be precise, one fine day in Kentucky 1876, chunks of red meat showered on a 100 by 50 yard area near Olympia Springs in the Bath County. A farmer's wife, Mrs. Kraut, saw the piece of meat fall from the sky. She said she was 40 steps away from her house when the meat started to slap the ground. 2 men stepped up and tasted the meat and guessed it to be some lamb or deer meat. But here's the thing, they guessed it to be that, so the exact type of meat was never identified. According to Wikipedia,
Various reports suggested it was beef, lamb, deer, bear, horse, or possibly human.
don't we just love Wikipedia? Anyway, the reason for this incident to occur is pretty controversial, and I'm not gonna read the entire thing. You can pause the video and check it out. Done? Cool then, let's jump to number 4. The 2 cars of Ohio. I don't know how true this is, so don't count this one as a fact. It may not be one. Or could be, I don't know. I just don't want to be fact checked on a facts video. Well, according to the story, there were only 2 cars in Ohio 1895 and they still managed to crash. Yup, that's it. Shout out to my friend Mana for giving me this one. Well, that's all for today, guys. My brain is fried enough after making this video so far. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe if you like. And I'll see you again in the next video.